Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. With a 98 red S70. Man, that car is red. He's got a throttle position sensor, error code, and he's going to change some fluid in his transmission. Shifting a little funny, stuff like that. So, look like he needs a coolant reservoir bottle. That thing is shattered. That thing about to come apart on him. Looks like he's got some brand new struts. But man, look at there. That stuff is torn clear through on those strut mounts. You've got to buy good strut mounts. And they bouncy. They ain't even no good. Horrible. This side torn through too, or just that side? Like maybe just that side. This side looks okay. Cedric said that this strut mount is only a few months old. Can't get that stuff from eBay for your suspension, man. It don't last long. Alright, we have a throttle position error code on this vehicle. I'm going to double check it, make sure that's the code. I brought a spare throttle here. I believe that throttle position sensor is the same on that. So let me scan this car real quick, see what the code is. Code is a P0123. Let me look that up on Google real quick. It says the throttle position sensor. I'm looking right here and I see a screw missing from the intake manifold. I don't know if that goes through or not. Anyway, I'm going to try to reach under here and change this throttle position sensor without removing a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't like removing a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to pull this here first, back out of the way, and I'm going to try to get a tool on there. Let me check, see what that socket fits those tiny screws. Those are funny, tiny screws on this throttle body. These are like 5.5 or something. As you can see, this is the NA throttle body. It has that puck in there. So let me find the size that takes that loose and go from there. Looks like this 7mm will break those loose. So I'm going to break these loose, then I'm going to break those loose. 6.5 is probably perfect. I was able to use the 7mm very short extension, 1/4 inch, to break those screws loose from that throttle position sensor. I had to push the brake booster line out of the way just a little bit, but I was able to do it. Just removing that and unplugging it and removing the transmission dipstick. So it's possible. Take your time, get it in and out, 10 minutes. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.